Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus iron soldering tips. We'll explore how each material affects your soldering projects, from heat transfer efficiency to overall tip lifespan. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best tip for your specific needs, ensuring cleaner joints and more reliable work. Let's dive into the details of what makes each type unique. Pure copper tips are renowned for their exceptional thermal conductivity. This means they heat up very quickly and transfer heat efficiently to your solder joint, which is fantastic for tasks demanding precise temperature control. However, pure copper is rarely used today due to its drawbacks. Modern tips often use a copper core for this excellent heat transfer, but with protective layers. Today, most soldering tips are actually iron-plated, often over a copper core. This iron layer is crucial because it provides superior durability and excellent resistance to oxidation and corrosion. While pure copper dissolves quickly in molten solder, the iron plating protects the tip, ensuring a much longer lifespan and more consistent performance for various soldering applications. When deciding which is better, iron-plated tips generally win for most users due to their excellent balance of durability and efficient heat transfer. They resist wear and corrosion far better than pure copper, making them a reliable choice for consistent, long-term soldering. For more information and other great deals, check the description below. Remember, the right tip enhances your soldering quality and efficiency, so choose wisely for your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.